Good morning! Okay. Ang hirap mag-post. Ang hirap mag-post.
I'll roll up, shorty, I'll roll up, it's your anniversary is.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon sa mga kayo lupalok ng mundo. Hello. My name is Anna O and welcome to my channel. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button down there. Dito. O dito. Yan. Paki-click. And like kung magugustuhan nyo itong video nito. And ang gagawin ko for today is, ewan ko kung kita nyo. Since uso siya ngayon, so gagawin ko lang din siya. Yung mga ibang lahi or yung mga foreigners is tumitikim ng Filipino food or Filipino chips natin. So, yun naman yung gagawin ko ngayon. A Filipina tasting. Okay. American chip. So, ang first natin try ay etong Yan siya. Ang pangalan niya ay Funyuns. It's an onion flavored drinks. Kaya ito try natin siya. Ang nakakatuwa dito, sa Pilipinas, in the Philippines, it's very hard for you or it's very difficult. Just if you're going to open a chip sa Pilipinas, as in it's really hard to do this. But in here, yun na napansin ko, sobrang dali lang iganto ng chips dito, sobrang open. Okay? It smells good. Oh, in fairness, masarap yung amoy niya. Sabi, onion flavored drinks, pero doesn't smell like onion, which is good. So, I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna have a bite. Crunchy. Ang hirap makaingam. Or dahil siguro masakit lang yung ngipin ko. Ewan ko ko ngayon ginawa itong kaya may masakit ang ngipin ko, diba? Okay. From 1 is the lowest and 10 is the highest, I'm giving this 3. Kasi siguro yung expect ko lang since onion rings, alam mo yun, somehow medyo similar dun sa taste ng onion rings or hindi mo lang ako mahilig sa onion, pero alam mo yun, mayroon kasi mga foods na masarap pag may onion or mayroong mga appetizers na masasarap yung onion rings nila. And in fairness, okay naman siya. But anyway, sabi ko nga yung rate ko. 1 is the lowest and 10 is the highest. I'm giving this a 3. Next, it is going to be a continuous video because I don't know if I can edit it. The next one is Fritos. This one. It's the Fritos. It's a flavors twist honey barbecue. See, again, ito, napakadali niyang i-open. Although, I prepared a scissor just in case. Kasi yung mga chips nga natin sa Philippines is, minsan may nakalagay dito, diba, sa gilid, like the chippy. May nakalagay dito, tear here. Kasi nga, hindi mo siya basta sa may gaganon lang. But here, you can just simply pop like that. Okay. It looks like this. Diba, naka-swirl. Focus. Okay. Yeah, basta yun. Matapang yung amoy niya. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, so for this, okay naman siya. Masarap naman siya. Lasang barbecue. Yung typical lasa ng barbecue dito. Kasi sa Pilipinas, ang barbecue natin is medyo sweet, diba? Minsan, mostly, may spicy, oo, pero mostly, laging may halong sweetness. Ayan. And, rate for this is, I'm giving this kasi nga nagustuhan ko yung medyo naglilinger yung lasa niya sa bibig. And then, parang gusto mo pa ulit. Tipong ganon. So, I'm giving this a 7. And susunod naman natin ay, well, obviously, nag-pause ako kasi nga, ang tawag dito, yung memory card is napupuno. And the next is, ito, Lace. Well, meron ito sa Pilipinas, of course. Pero, tingnan natin yung straight from the grocery dito sa US. Well, medyo familiar naman na ako dyan. So, ito yung medyo maamoyan mo na may onion talaga. Kasi it's a sour cream. Sour cream and onion. Ayan. Ang kinakain ko nito is yung cheese. Yung cheese sa Philippines. Mas common kasi yun doon. And then, so ito, tatry naman natin. Ganun talaga. Wait lang, yung bangs ko naghihiwalay. Nagbe-break sila. Anyways. Okay. Masakit talaga yung ngipin ko. Hindi ko alam kung ba't ko ngayon to naisip, pero okay. Masarap siya. Hindi siya nakakaumay. From 1 to 10, 1 is the lowest and 10 is the highest. I'm giving this a 9. This is 9. I'm gonna make it quick. Next is Doritos. I have to be fair kasi Doritos yung all-time favorite ko na chips. But it's the, what do you call it? Yun yung red. So, I'm gonna try this blue one para mas maging fair. Okay. Again, napakadali niyang i-open and wala siyang amoy. Yeah, wala siyang amoy. Okay, I'm gonna try this. That's right. Okay. Kasi yung flavor niya is ranch. It's a ranch, cool ranch, whatever. Malalasahan mo talaga siya. So, just like Lay's, I'm giving this a 9. 9.5? Pwede ba yun? Kasi medyo mas mano siya ng konti dun sa ano. Next is Cheetos. Cheetos Puff. Alam kong may iba pang Cheetos. Yung, I don't know kung anong tawag dun. Pero yun yung medyo matigas ng konti. Ayan. Meron nun. Pero ito, puff yung itatry natin. Malaki. Wala akong maamoy. I can smell anything. Okay. I'm gonna try. This is... Woohoo! Okay, malaki siya. Yeah, kasi baka magmukha akong maamos. Okay. May katulad to. Alam niyo yung cheese curls sa Philippines? Well, maliliit dito. Pero yung small version nito, and yung kalasa niya is yung cheese curls ng Philippines. And I'm giving this an 8. Next is Ruffles. Ruffles, cheddar, and sour cream. Yan. Try natin. Because when you have ridge, the crunch are cruncher, the dipping strength multiples. And your chips become Ruffles. Ang ingay ng telepono ko. Anyways, gawa ng groups yan sa YouTube. Ayan. Okay. May amoy siya. Cheese. Cheese. I can smell cheese. Cheese. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Yung maliit lang itatry ko, although ganito siya kalaki. Yan, mga ganito siya kalaki. Pero syempre yung small portion lang yung muna kainin ko. Kasi medyo mahirap siyang nguyain gawa ng teeth ko. Pero day. I'm gonna eat it. Ruffles. Okay. Ang katulad naman nito, VCAT. Pero kasi yung V-cut kasi is maanghang. Ito yung V-cut na hindi maanghang. Kasi, ganoon halos yung ano niya, yung lasa niya. Tama. V-cut na hindi maanghang. V-cut na alisin mo yung anghang lang niya. Ganun yung kalasa niya. Ayan. And, marami pa ako ito-try na chips, kaso lang, medyo nakain ko na yung iba bago ko pa i-vlog or bago pa ako mag-ano ng cam. So, ayun guys, I'm so sorry hindi ko natapos yung video, pero feeling ko natapos ko naman lahat ng chips, nabigay ko yung ratings. And yun lang muna for now. Thanks for watching. Again, for those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like if you like this video. And sabi ko nga, feel free to dislike pag hindi nyo trip yung video. And for more infos, updates, comment down below kung ano pa yung mga gusto nyo na challenge or whatever, or collaboration. Yun lang muna for now. Bye you.